All right, now we want to take it a little further. We want to examine what is called arpeggio. And what is it? You know, we talked about the first 8 notes of the trumpet, which eventually is the C major scale. Now, the arpeggio, we have the 1, the 3, the 5, and the back to the 1, which is the octave. So you can also refer to it as the broken chords. Now, I want to play the 1, the 3, the 5, and back to the 1. You can call it the 8. So what happens to the 2, the 4, and the 6? We are not playing them now. So we just want to skip. Between 1 and 3, there is an interval between 1 and 3, and it's a third interval. Between 3 and 3 and 5, there is another interval called the third interval. And these are the notes that we want to explore. The other one, which is the higher C, is the replication of the first. Okay, let's do that slowly. One more time. Yes, don't forget that we also talked about the A minor. The A minor to us is arpeggio. Remember, if we take the cue or start the arpeggio from A as our 1, B as our 2, C as our 3, D as our 4, E as our 5, F as our 6, G as our 7, and we have A, which is the replication or duplication of the A, which is the 8. Remember, we have A as 1, that's A. We skip B, which is the 2, we go to the 3, which is C. It means you are playing A, C. You skip the 4, which is D, you go to E. It means you are playing A, C, and E. And then you replicate the A, the higher A back. So that is A minor arpeggio. But it's a natural minor. There are several kinds of minor scales. We have the melodic, we have the harmonic, and we have the natural minor. But for this lesson, we are examining the natural minor. Now we have A, the C, the E, and back to the A. Okay? Remember, the A is with a loosed lip position, very loose. Now let's do it very, very slow. Thank you.